guys are just pulling in to pick up some new trailers. We're doing a local day here, moving all the new wagons back to the yard from Woodstock to Hamilton. It's pretty exciting. Our shop's gonna go over them and do what they need to do, and then we're gonna be getting our new wagon. Brand new tandem, 10-1 spread, the slider kit. They're all the exact same, so we get all our equipment and stuff for the trailers from Verduyn Tarps. They do all our kits and everything. They do a really nice job. So we're gonna get hooked up to one here and give you guys a little walk around of what we're gonna be hooking to and be pulling up and down the road. Stay tuned. So we just hooked up the trailer here, guys. Give you a walk around. Like I said, I'm taking all these back to the yard for the shop to go over, but this is going to be the exact trailer I'm going to be getting. It's a 2020 easttrailer, brand new. Nice stainless headboard on it. Has a little more lights on it than what my trailer has. All brand new, nice clean straps. Nice shiny rims. These trailers are a little more done up than the one I've been pulling. The back end has the steps that go up into it. You just flip the latch open and you can walk right up. We're always hiring here at Rims. It's a good company. It's lots of work. It's very steady. Usually I don't do local stuff, but if Figured I'd help them out and get these trailers back to the yard. The sooner the shop gets their things done on it, the sooner I can hook to one and go to work. So it'll be nice to have a nice clean wagon, take to all the truck shows and stuff. So hopefully if the pandemic straightens up, then we can do that. I'll give you guys a walk around to the inside. So here's a walk around to the inside. Nice and clean. I'm excited. They have the holes in the floors for the stakes to go in for if you're hauling slitted coils. This is the latch in the floor that opens up and you can walk up. Like I said, they ordered these trailers and they did them up really nice. The front of the trailers slide to the back, but these ones actually are on air, so you flick a switch and they release. But Verduyn puts all the racks in it for us so we can store everything all neat and tidy. And there's actually lights inside this, so when I'm unchaining at nighttime or strapping, they just put the switch right inside the door there. So yeah guys, it's pretty nice, so I'm excited. We'll get these back to the yard and let the shop do what they got to do, and we'll pin to one and go to work. So it'll be a good summer and fresh start to 2021, and nice clean wagon. Get everything done to the truck we want to do and ride down the road in style. So stay tuned guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Keep the shiny side up and keep on trucking.